Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the top 10 must-have woodworking tools of 2024 that you need to see. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools will elevate your craft to the next level. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Introducing the Woodpeckers Hex Scale Rule, the ultimate precision measuring tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Imagine having one rule that allows you to reference measurements from either end, in both inches and millimeters, and instantly locate the center of any object. Well, now you can with the Hex Scale Rule by Woodpeckers. Designed with convenience and versatility in mind, this handy rule features 6 different graduations in one compact tool. Inspired by the classic triangular drafting rules of yesteryears, Woodpeckers has ingeniously crafted the hex scale rule to incorporate the 6 most essential graduations for woodworking tasks. Whether you're measuring from right to left or left to right, in inches or millimeters, this rule has you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of switching between multiple rulers or constantly recalibrating measurements. The hex scale rule streamlines your workflow by consolidating all the necessary measurements into one tool. Not only does the hex scale rule simplify measurement tasks, but its distinctive shape also enhances accuracy by ensuring that laser-engraved scales are precisely aligned with your material. This virtually eliminates parallax viewing error, giving you confidence in the accuracy of your measurements. For woodworking enthusiasts who appreciate efficiency and precision, the Woodpeckers Hex Scale Rule is a game-changer. Upgrade your workshop with this versatile and reliable tool and experience the convenience of having all the essential measurement graduations at your fingertips. Number 2. The Rockwell Jigget Knob and Pull Pro Drilling Guide offers fast setup and flawless repeatability for installing hardware on various furniture pieces. By using the actual pull to set hole spacing, measurement errors are eliminated. Attach the pull to the drilling guides, tighten the knobs, and drill. It's that simple. The guides are fully adjustable both left and right, as well as up and down, with an extendable stop for repeatable drilling. This stop can extend from either side of the jig, making it useful for wide drawers with 2 pulls. Interlocking sawtooth racks ensure settings won't slip, and you can switch settings with perfect accuracy. The jig accommodates pulls with posts spaced up to 7.5 inches apart and includes a 3/16-inch diameter split-point drill bit that stores conveniently on board. Upgrade your hardware installation process with the Rockwell Jigget Knob and Pull Pro Drilling Guide for consistent, precise results every time. Number 3. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6.5-inch Plunge Saw Kit is meticulously designed to meet the needs of professional carpenters and remodelers. With its robust power-state brushless motor, this plunge track saw delivers a staggering 5,600 RPM, ensuring impeccable finish quality and clean cuts even through solid hardwoods. Experience unparalleled dust collection efficiency, with over 90% dust captured, while still maintaining the portability and precision that users demand from a plunge saw. Equipped with RedLink Plus intelligence, this saw guarantees maximum performance and protection from overload, overheating, and overdischarge, ensuring longevity and reliability on the job. The M18 Red Lithium High-Output XC6.0 battery offers exceptional durability and provides more cuts per charge compared to its competitors. With a variable speed dial, users have full control over the speed of their application, while the smooth pivoting plunge motion enables precise plunge cuts with accurate depth of cut. Experience the power, precision, and performance of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6.5-inch Plunge Track Saw Kit for all your cutting needs.
Number 4. The Calwood Router Bits set of 15 pieces 1/4 inch is a comprehensive collection of woodworking tools designed specifically for beginners. Crafted with a durable steel body, these router bits boast an alloy blade and solid hardened steel board, ensuring they can withstand heavy-duty use and stand the test of time. The clever anti-kickback design enhances safety during installation, providing peace of mind for users. Featuring a 1/4 inch shank, these router bits offer greater stability and reduced vibration during use, resulting in smoother and more precise cuts. The set is highly versatile, suitable for various applications including working with woods, MDF, particle board, and plywood compact panels. It's important to note that these router bits are not suitable for cutting ferrous metals or non-wood materials such as steel or sand. For added convenience, the set comes in a sturdy wooden case, making storage and transportation easy between jobs or DIY home improvement projects. The case not only keeps the router bits organized but also protects them during travel to remote work sites or on-the-go projects. With the SawW router bit set, beginners can tackle woodworking tasks with confidence and precision. Number 5. The Powertech 55-inch track saw guide rail joining set for Bosch track saws is a comprehensive solution for precise and efficient straight cuts in woodworking projects. This set includes two 55-inch guide rails and one connector, making it a perfect replacement for the Bosch GF13-225L track system. Designed with exact tolerances and featuring thicker, flatter, and more stable surfaces, these guide rails ensure quicker and more accurate straight cuts. The connectors provide a firm and seamless connection between both guides, locking in place with 4 set screws to offer limitless possibilities for precision long cuts. For clean and splinter-free cuts, the set includes splinter guards that do not come into contact with the work surface. These guards are easily attached with 3M adhesive, securely holding them in place until replacement. Constructed with lightweight extruded aluminum, the guide rails possess rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and longevity. Additionally, they feature a high-quality anodized finish for smooth machine operation. Upgrade your woodworking setup with the premium build and precision performance of the Powertech 55-inch track saw guide rail joining set. Number 6. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander is a professional-grade tool designed for carpenters, remodelers, and general contractors seeking precision and efficiency. It's specifically optimized to complement larger sanders on the job site, offering faster detail sanding, stain-grade finishes, and enhanced access to corners and contours. Powered by the robust PowerState brushless motor and enhanced with RedLink Plus intelligence, this detail sander delivers exceptional performance, removing material up to 2 times faster than traditional hand sanding solutions. Its orbital sanding motion, with a 1.5 mm orbit diameter, ensures a clean, consistent stain-grade surface finish. The sander's unique pad shape provides sharp, straight edges for greater accuracy and access to confined corners, while its lightweight and ergonomic design, weighing only 1.3 pounds, offers unmatched maneuverability across various orientations. The innovative counterweight mechanism minimizes vibration, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Featuring a variable speed trigger with a lock-on button and 4 speed settings from 14,000 to 4,000 RPM, this detail sander provides increased control across a wide variety of materials. Additionally, the optional sponge pad allows the abrasive to contour to the work surface, while the pad saver protects against excessive heat buildup, extending the life of the backing pad. Number 7. The Wolfcraft Masterwork 1600 is a versatile mobile workbench that functions as a sturdy work table and offers various clamping and fastening options for stationary devices. Its stable and durable aluminum frame is foldable, allowing for easy transportation to different work locations and convenient space-saving storage. The work surface measures 1035 by 695 mm and is made of 22 mm MDF, capable of supporting a load of up to 120 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. The height-adjustable foot ensures stability on uneven terrain, providing a secure stand for the table. Integrated 20 mm bores allow for flexible positioning of clamping claws, clamps, and other clamping aids, while special slotted holes enable the use of Wolfcraft one-hand clamps in the tabletop area. Large and small clamping blocks expand the support surface underneath the tabletop, allowing for optimal use of clamps and serving as support surfaces when the table is folded for storage. For small clamping jaws function as stoppers for positioning workpieces and can be conveniently stored in provided holders inside the clamping blocks. Attachment slots and hole bores in the worktop accommodate stationary devices like miter saws or Wolfcraft drill stands, with mounting materials included in the delivery. With the Wolfcraft Masterwork 1600, you're equipped with a reliable and effective solution for various challenges around the home, all in one convenient product.
Number 8. The Trend Draining Groove Routing Jig is a high-precision tool designed to simplify the process of routing draining grooves in solid timber and compact laminate worktops for undermount, farmhouse, and Belfast sinks. Crafted from 15 32-inch CNC machined compact grade high-pressure laminate, this jig ensures durability and stability for accurate and hassle-free routing. With a precise 0.5-degree fall angle, the jig facilitates smooth water flow towards the sink, preventing damage to the countertop. The standardized grooves have a pitch of 1 31 inches and a length of 17 29 inches, ensuring consistent and standardized groove sizes with every use. The user-friendly design features sight marks for easy alignment, 3 removable sloping runners for support, a cutter diameter check hole, and fixing holes for user-made stops for repetitive work. These features make the jig versatile and easy to use, catering to the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Number 9. The Bosch GF13 professional router is designed to provide an efficiency boost for any router job, offering outstanding motor performance and a constant speed feature. Whether working with hardwood, softwood, MDF, or plywood, this router ensures swift and precise results. Bosch's constant speed feature enables stop and jam-free work, delivering maximum cutting efficiency within its class. The router's innovative plunge design minimizes dust intake and prevents jams, even in dusty and challenging environments, allowing for over 10,000 operations without issues. Additionally, the GF13 professional router offers flexible options for bit changes, allowing users to either manually use wrenches or utilize the spindle lock for quick and easy adjustments. With its reliability, efficiency, and versatility, the Bosch GF13 professional router is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 10. The Pocket Hole Jig Kit boasts a clamp made of high-quality, solid metal materials, ensuring rust and crack resistance for long-lasting durability. It facilitates easy drilling of oblique holes to create flawless joints and supports various joint configurations like flush, angle, and angle pocket hole joints, perfect for connecting legs, guide rails, and building cabinets. Featuring a heavy-duty metal body with high hole accuracy, this kit is versatile for portable or desktop installations, suitable for DIY home projects and professional woodworking tasks. Its user-friendly design allows for inclined countersunk hole drilling in joints, followed by easy insertion of self-tapping screws without pilot holes, resulting in precise woodworking hole formation with hidden screws for a clean finish. The adjustable depth of the drill hole set fixture accommodates different thicknesses and materials, while hardened steel ensures accurate pocket hole drilling and easy screw embedding to conceal fasteners. The included 10mm bit adapter offers flexibility for different wood types and angles, providing stable and efficient drilling performance without burrs.